Okay, so the second part of the set is the MM850, so multi-material drill 850, which is the black one. And again, this set is a system solution, so once you've drilled the tile, drilling the material, the substrate behind the tile, is then the job of the MM850. Again, tungsten tip, dynamically balanced and sharpened into the correct angles on the flutes. You'll see we've got a hex shank, round shank, and also a bit holder collet fitting as well. Again, it'll drill hole all soft materials, hard materials, whichever. If your material's really hard, you can just bob it onto the hammer function as well. This drill will work perfectly well in the hammer function as well, so you can drill those really hard concrete behind the tile with no problem at all. Drill guides on. I'm going to drill into the tile so we don't slip and wander. Nice and steady. Right into the tile. Slight bit of oscillation there, which is absolutely perfect and normal. Start drilling. Slight oscillation. Obviously when we're oscillating we do make the hole slightly bigger, but it's normally around 0.2mm, so it hardly makes any difference. It'll make a massive difference to the lifetime of the tile while I'm drilling. Okay, we've now finished with the PG750X, we've now swapped to an MM850, and now we're going to drill the material behind the tile. So to do this, full speed again, but this time we don't need to oscillate. Oscillation only needs to be done on the tile, obviously like I said before, only makes it 0.2mm maximum bigger. Now keep it nice and straight so the plug, when you push the plug in, it sits nice and tight.